Introducing the new Somnera System, a low-flow alternative to traditional CPAP therapy.
Hi, I'm Andrew with the CPAP Shop, and I'm here today to talk about the brand new Somnera System, available now for pre-order with an anticipated mid-December 2020 ship date. The Somnera System was developed as an alternative for CPAP therapy for users who struggle with traditional CPAP. But what makes Somnera so different? Somnera is a low-flow system that mimics natural breathing cycles by only offering supplemental filtered air during inhalation. The device itself does not generate its own air pressure. The pressure used to keep the airway open is generated by the user's own breath. The innovative design of this system makes therapy much quieter, and less noise means a much more restful night's sleep for you and your bed partner. So, let's take a look, starting with the heart of the system, the airbox. This small, sleek device features a touchscreen interface that truly sets it apart from other CPAP machines. Simply plug the device into a known working outlet, press and hold the power button for approximately 2 seconds, and the full-color touchscreen display illuminates. Easily navigate menus as well as comfort settings, including go to sleep mode, ramp, pressure relief, and more. Go to sleep is a new, unique feature to Somnera System. If you're like most CPAP users, chances are you begin your therapy while reading a book or watching television before bed. But breathing against your prescribed pressure can be difficult, and that's where Go to Sleep comes in. Go to Sleep mode allows users to begin their therapy at a pressure setting of 0 centimeters. In other words, no air will be generated until after the individual falls asleep. You can access this feature under the Settings menu on the device. Other features included in the Somnera System include user-adjustable ramp, pressure relief, leak sensing, and mask drying to ensure that all parts of the mask are dry after cleaning. Connected to the Somnera Airbox is the industry's smallest, most lightweight tube. While traditional CPAP tubes measure 22 millimeters wide, and other travel tubes, such as this DreamStation Go model, measure between 12 and 15 millimeters wide, the Somnera tube measures 9 millimeters. This braided hose features a magnetic connection at one end that goes to the airbox and a detachable clip at the other that goes to the mask. This tube design moves with even the most active sleeper and ensures that the tube won't get caught, detached, or damaged. Now, let's talk about the mask. The Somnera System comes with 2 mask options, a nasal mask or a nasal pillow mask. No other masks are compatible with this device. The nasal cushion option is ideal for users who prefer to sleep on their sides or toss and turn a lot. Nasal pillows are perfect for users with facial hair, as the pillows sit just inside the nostrils. Each mask cushion comes in small, medium, or large sizes, and the manufacturer recommends replacing these parts every 90 days. Headgear comes in 3 parts and is slightly unique. The keyed connectors ensure that the cushions or pillows do not come detached in the middle of the night. They also allow users to always make sure replacement cushions are attached properly. All replacement parts are available at www.thecpapshop.com. But what about the humidifier? With Somnera, you don't need one anymore. Somnera uses proprietary technology called the Smart Valve to help users generate their own humidification through normal breathing. The unique one-way valve design only allows supplemental filtered air to flow up the hose during inhalation. Exhaled air is prevented from being sent back down the tube, which minimizes airflow and greatly reduces mask leaks. Less mask leaks also means less airway dryness and need for additional humidification. Less mask leaks also means less noise in the room and a quiet night's sleep. In fact, the entire system is quiet. Listen to the airbox motor at an air pressure setting of 10. Past CPAP users looking to make the switch to Somnera may take a few nights to adjust to the new airflow. For these patients and all new Somnera patients, the Sleepers Support Program is free of charge and connects you to trained sleep coaches to help with virtual setup and ongoing virtual support for individualized therapy experiences. The Somnera System is only available at the CPAP Shop. To reserve your unit, pre-order now at www.thecpapshop.com. Orders are expected to ship mid-December. If you have additional questions about the Somnera System, visit our website or contact our knowledgeable customer care team. They can be reached at 866-414-9700 or via email at questions@thecpapshop.com. I'm Andrew with the CPAP Shop, and as always, thanks for watching.